Hi, my name is Ellie, and in a series of tutorials I'm going to show you how to use the learning management system of VEDAMO. I hope you find this useful. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the permanent links for your sessions on VEDAMO. Once created, these links can be used for events that occur on a repeating schedule. Permanent links lead to a virtual classroom session with a preset name and saved settings and can be shared between users. You can attach a template to a permanent link, assign it to a VEDAMO course, or add it to a Google Classroom course. The permanent links option is located under the Sessions menu. When you click on it, you will see a list with the links already created in your organization. A new link can be created from the green Create a Permanent Link button. Clicking on it will lead to a new screen where you need to provide a name and a description for your permanent link, as well as choose settings for the virtual classroom session that is opened with this permanent link. These settings include participants invitation, hidden observers, room access, recordings. If you have already created and saved templates with the content that you use, you can choose one by clicking on the green button Add a session template. A new box will open and you can select a template from the list. As an admin, you will have access to all templates created. If you want to have everything set up in advance, click on the Advanced settings. You can specify all important permissions and details, pre-session, in-session and post-session settings. Don't forget to click on the green Save button in the end. Now you have already created your permanent link. Let's see how to use it. Go back to the tab and you will see a Start Now option next to each link created. Click on it to start a session with the respective settings. The three dots on the right side provide you with 4 different options: Share, Details, Edit and Delete. If you want to share the link with other people from your organization, you have to select them from the list. Once you have chosen users to share the link with, an option will appear next to the name of the selected user, allowing you to choose the type of permissions you want them to have. The following options will be available. To only use the link, default state always allowed. To be able to share it with other users. To edit, all of the above mentioned options. If you need to change the permissions for any of the users to whom you have given access, click on Details, find the user and change their permissions. After that, click on the Update button. Permanent links can also be attached to a course. To do this, go to the Schedules section in the Courses menu and locate the Add a Permanent Link option in order to attach the permanent link. Note that only one permanent link can be added per schedule. Permanent links considerably simplify the workflow of the sessions. To keep everything organized and to avoid any inconveniences between users in the Academy, we recommend making sure that everyone has their own permanent link. In this way, every instructor can use a particular link to start a session that contains the same information, such as templates and settings, and students can enter the session by using the same link each time. Thank you for watching. You can also check the detailed step-by-step article in the description of this video. Happy teaching!